On November 19, 2025, we traveled to Iloilo just to capture beautiful birds. When we arrived at Tres Marias farm, it took only a minute before we were surrounded by different species. In the afternoon, we moved to hide number 2, hoping to finally see the ruddy kingfisher. But unfortunately, the kingfisher didn't show itself to us. Still, nature had a surprise waiting. We spotted a bird that's rarely seen in Negros, the Visayan Shama. And as time passed, another treasure appeared, the mangrove flycatcher. Around 3 p.m., we began our trip to Antique, and even a waterfall revealed itself along the way. The weather was perfect, and the fresh air made the journey feel alive.
Kulito.
Minabatian ko to nung.
Ano ba?
At namatad ang aming team.
In the evening, we headed back into the forest to capture an owl. And after a few moments, there it was, the Luzon Boobook.
Nice, tulog sila.
The next morning, we woke up early, still hoping to finally see the hornbills.
This is so nice.
Nature was perfect. The mountains, the trees, the cool morning air, everything felt alive.
Oh, sunrise.
But sadly, we didn't capture any hornbills. Still, the forest rewarded us with the sighting of the brown-breasted kingfisher. In this moment, we are enjoying the forest scenery, searching for birds, and appreciating the beauty of nature all around us.